Now we're going to show you how to install an animated watch face from the MobyFace app. First, open the app. Here's some collection we've already installed. We're going to go into the NASA Columbia edition. These are static watch faces, but if you see the little play symbol here, you know that they're animated watch faces. I'm going to choose this one, and you see a little preview of the shuttle here taking off. To install it, you click Create Watch Face, and when it's animated, it sends it directly to your camera roll. You can learn more in our tutorial or just click OK. You exit the app and go to either Photos or Camera. We like Camera because of the preview here of your last picture. Click it, and down here click the Share icon. Scroll along the pop-up menu here at the bottom until you see Create Watch Face. You choose the top preview. We're going to move the time to the top, and then you just click Add. And now the watch face has already been added to your watch. Oh, and if you click and hold, you get some extra action.